Baking a delicious and fast cookie in a minute. Wow. Hello dear, welcome. I am Happy Alfred. In a clean bowl, add 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, and stir together. 1/2 cup of egg and mix. Add 1/2 cup of flour and 1/2 tablespoon of flour. A pinch of salt. Stir. 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be leaving the recipe on the description box. Roll with hands. Press into a parchment paper and add some more chips if you like. Fry into a microwave. Set timer for 1 minute or 1 minute and 10 seconds. Bring out, allow it to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. You can serve with ice cream, juice, or tea, or your choice of serving. Watching.